We have the door straightener, the invisible door straightener, and since a couple of years now, we have added a new length up to 3 meters. And now I'm going to show you a new solution with the same invisible door straightener for those who can't make an invisible door straightener because the door doesn't allow you this to do. A solution where you have a very clean look in spite of the door straightener being installed in the door. I will insert it into the required groove. Here, I push it in. The width of the groove is now different in case you use the solution. It is 40 millimeters in width, and here it's a 35 millimeter wide groove. We have this additional part. I will put it on here, press it in, and then we have this beautiful aluminium cover. No screws. You would screw the door straightener in these 2 points and here, and of course this will hold the door straightener in place. And you see the cutout here for the boss. We can finish this for you if you have it, and then I just place it onto the door straightener, and I have a beautiful door straightener in place with a clean look. Thank you. Tariq Uttarkar.